y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, my name is Tasia. I'm a communication strategist by day and a content creator by night, and I love to show you guys some easy tips and tricks about how to do well on social media like YouTube and Instagram. I'm going to be doing a really quick tutorial and showing you a really neat, easy, fast trick on how to create an Instagram reel cover. Most of the time people find Instagram reels because it pops up in their feed while they're scrolling through different reels. But when people go over to your profile, you also want them to click on certain videos as well. And a lot of the time people don't put any sort of cover, or they don't ensure that there's text in the screen grab. People are less likely to click on your Instagram reel if they don't really know what it's about. They can't really tell just from an image. So I discovered a really fast way to create an Instagram reel cover, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. You are gonna go into your native app on your phone, whatever it is. I use Apple iOS, so I will go into my photos and I will choose a photo that I like. Maybe it represents whatever is going on in that particular Instagram reel. So I'm gonna go into photos and I'm gonna change the aspect ratio, and I'm gonna change it to the 9:16 so that it is the appropriate size for an Instagram reel cover, which is also the same size as like a story. So once you've done that, you're gonna go back into the Instagram app and you're gonna load that up. And what you're gonna do is go into stories. And you're gonna go into your camera roll, select the photo that you just changed and made into the 9:16 ratio, and then use the typing tool to go in and put in whatever title you want. I'm gonna type in 2020 curly hair journey because this particular reel was all about how I got my curl pattern back, and I focused on that all through 2020. I'm going to change the size of this, place it exactly where I want to, and we're gonna save it by clicking the little arrow button. Now we're going to go over into our Instagram Reels. Already have my video already set up and it's already edited and ready to go. I simply just needed to create the cover. So now I'm gonna go into my camera roll, click recent, and there you go. There is the Instagram Reels cover that I created using the stories feature in Instagram. So I'm gonna load that up, and then you go in and write your caption and so forth, and there you go. That's a super, super fast way in less than like 5 minutes on how to create an Instagram reel cover. That's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and it's a really fast, quick way for you to create Instagram reel covers for all of your fabulous reels. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today, and I will see you next week. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasia and I am a communication, Welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know me, no. All right, so I'm gonna put in 20 happening in the reel. So no, that's not at all what I'm talking about.